Wait a minute now. Okay, it's not stopping. This is not good. It's starting to get flat.
Oh shit!
Kind of like that one right there. That's get very, very wet. So actually.
Shit!
That flash flood was the result of thousands of gallons of recycled water released from large tanks located there at the top of the hill. It comes on down the hill, it drains around and recycles back down into our drinking fountains in the park. Cheers. As we're told, Mexico's been seen in TV shows like Heroes, ER, Without a Trace. Also been seen in movies like Three Amigos and Big Fat Liar. In fact, take a look at this. This is from Big Fat Liar, shot right there in Old Mexico.
Oh, there you go.
Here, please take your seats.
Right here.
You can't outrun the wolf, kid! Yeah, we'll see about that.
Tío, mira cómo...
Igual que El Salvador, mira, los dos pueblos.
Much drier note. Right now we're going to take you down a street called Denver Street. It's pretty quiet right now. Back in the heyday of the Western, this town saw a lot of action. And of course you can't have a really good Western without a really good fight scene. You know, the kind I'm talking about where guys get punched in the face, they get chairs slammed to the heads, they get thrown through a plate glass window. Kind of like these right here. Take a look.
Maybe you're just going to stir things up here. You bet I am. Quick!
How dare you hit that man!
Mine hit the ground first. Mine was taller.
Yes, Kirk Douglas and John Wayne.